Today, we are talking about ETFs or exchange traded funds. If you're looking for an easy, low stress way to invest in the stock market, especially as a beginner, ETFs are your guys. So, you've been hearing about this thing called stocks and how is the key to wealth, right? But then you open your phone and see words like PE ratio, book value, market capitalization, and you're likely thinking, I beg, waiting bring me come here. Well, don't worry, you're not alone. I've been there too, scrolling through apps like Bamboo and Trove, wondering where to start without emptying my account. So, in this video, I'm going to simplify stock investments for you. Let's talk about ETFs, the cheat code for making it big in the stock market without knowing a damn thing. So, what exactly are ETFs? Okay, imagine this. You go to a booker for lunch, and instead of ordering just jollof rice, you get a combo plate with rice, beans, plantain, and chicken. That plate is like an ETF. It's a mix of different investments all bundled together. With ETFs, you're buying a basket that holds different stocks all in one basket. For example, if you buy a technology ETF, you're essentially buying companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google all at once. It's like attending a Nigerian buffet. You get a little bit of everything without having to choose just one dish. And the best part, you don't need to think about picking individual stocks. Someone has already done the hard work for you. Now, let me tell you why ETFs are perfect, especially if you're just starting out. One, diversification or sharing the risk. Because let's be real, investing can be really scary, but ETFs help you spread the risks. Now, instead of putting all your money into one stock, like betting on Arsenal to win the league, ETFs help you invest in multiple companies at once. So if one doesn't perform well, the others can cover it. Two, it's affordable and easy to start. You don't need millions to start investing in ETFs. With as little as 5,000 naira or $10, you can get in the game. Plus, ETFs have low fees, so you're not dashing your profit to fund managers. Three, they are simple to buy and sell. ETFs are traded on the stock exchanges just like regular stocks. So once you set up an account on platforms like Bamboo, Trove, or Chaka, you can buy and sell them easily. It's like shopping on Jumia. You just add to cart and check out. Now, how exactly do ETFs work? Let me break it down so it sticks. ETFs are managed by fund managers who decides what goes into the basket. And there are different types of ETFs based on your investment goals. For example, the S&P 500 ETFs invest in the top 500 companies in the US stock market. A tech ETF focuses on companies like Tesla and Amazon. Think of it like the Gen Z of investments. And then there are dividend ETFs that invest in companies that pay you regular dividends, aka passive income to chill and enjoy life. So, depending on your goal, whether it's long term growth, passive income, or flexing with Tesla shares, there's an ETF for you. Okay, now let's talk about how you can get started. Don't worry, it's easier than trying to explain to your Nigerian parents why you want to study something other than medicine or law. Step one, pick an investment platform. So, first, download a reliable app like Bamboo, Trove, or Chaka. These platforms give you access to global markets and ETFs. All you have to do is create an account, verify your identity, and fund it with your preferred amount. If you've already done mobile banking, you'll find this process super straightforward. Step two, choose an ETF that fits your goal. This is where it starts getting fun. Ask yourself, what am I investing for? If you want steady, reliable growth, you check out the S&P 500 ETF SPY. Or are you interested in tech? In that case, look for the Invesco QQQ ETF, which features the top tech companies. Do you want regular income? In that case, a dividend ETF like SCHD could be your guy. The point is to take your time and pick something that aligns with your goals. Step 3, understand the costs. Now, listen, ETFs charge annual fees called expense ratio. This is like paying for maintenance on your car, it keeps things running smoothly. However, the good news is these fees are usually tiny, around 0.1% to 0.5%. Also, check if your app charges transaction fees for buying and selling ETFs. Most platforms in Nigeria are pretty affordable. Step 4, start small. You don't need to empty your savings to start investing. With as little as 10,000 naira, you can buy your first ETF. If you're like me, you can start small and grow steadily with a method called dollar cost averaging, where you buy a fixed amount at regular intervals, and it's perfect for beginners. Step 5: monitor and chill. Once you've invested, there is no need to check your portfolio every day like it's Instagram. Investing is a long game. Check in every few months, stay consistent, and let time do its magic. Now you're almost set, but before you run off buying your first ETF, let me quickly warn you about some common mistakes. Please avoid chasing trends. Not every trending ETF is a good idea. Just because something is hyped doesn't mean it fits your goals. Another mistake is ignoring fees. Really, even if I said the fees are low, don't forget to check those fees. Even small charges can add up over time if you're not careful. And the third mistake you should really avoid is investing without a plan. If you don't have a clear goal, you end up buying random stuff. Trust me, that's not the way to grow your money. ETFs are like the cool uncle at the party. They are affordable, approachable, and always have something for everyone. So, if you're a beginner looking to grow your wealth with minimal efforts and stress, ETFs are hands down the best way to get started in stocks. So, there's nothing else you're waiting for. Download Bamboo or Trove, pick an ETF, and start building your future today. If you want to see how it's done, you can tune into my Scapegoat Portfolio Challenge, where I invest 100,000 naira every week on different instruments, stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, crypto, and all that good stuff. The goal is to grow that portfolio to 100 million naira in 10 years. So make sure to check out the playlist and keep updated on my progress. Also, if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends who also want to start investing. And hey, let me know in the comments which ETFs you're planning on investing in, and I'll be checking it out. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!